If you want to know how to fix a Snapchat temporarily disabled on iPhone, you've come to the right place. So firstly, I'd like to open Snapchat, and as you can see, everything is working. I can easily use it. So how can we fix this problem if you have it? Basically, we need to open the App Store firstly, click on search and go to find Snapchat. It's really important. We need to find the original app page. So open it and make sure that you have the latest version. So you need to find, do you have the open button or update? If you have the update, please download the latest version. So after that, close the App Store, and then we need to go to settings. Then scroll down here to find the Snapchat in your app list. So after that, we need to find the Snapchat and make sure that background app refresh feature is turned on. Then we need to go back, go to the upside, find general settings, click on general, go to iPhone storage, and from this page here we need to find a Snapchat inside of the list. So we need to find it and then just click on upload app. So after that, your app will be successfully uploaded and you need to reinstall it using basically the App Store, or you can click on the same button here. So after that, your problem will be automatically fixed, but if it's not, make sure that you need to delete the Snapchat and then just reinstall it on your device. So after that, this problem will be automatically fixed and you'll be able to use the Snapchat for 100%. So this is a way of how can we fix Snapchat temporarily disabled problem on iPhone. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe. Wish you a very good day. Goodbye.